How to delete Temu account permanently. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you delete your Temu account permanently. So let's get started. First, as you have to open Temu app with your account. After you open Temu, you will get this kind of interface. From your at the bottom, tap on You. From your profile section, tap on settings icon just at the top right. From settings section, tap on account security. From the account security section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option delete your Temu account. Simply from here, you'll have to just check for the options for I want to permanently delete my Temu account. Simply check it on and tap on continue. From here, you'll have to just select the region for deleting your account. Simply select one and tap on continue. And from here, you'll have to verify with the verification code that you will receive on your Gmail account. After you verify with that, you'll be able to permanently delete your Temu account. If you found this helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.